Good morning, year three. I hope that you are doing well. I hope that you had a lovely spring break. Okay, I hope that you enjoyed your vacation also. I missed you so much. Okay, so let's start our lesson quickly. Okay, I will tell you what is the session will be. So first of all, we are going to take our reading homework. Okay, I will solve it with you orally, and then you will solve it and send it to me back, of course, on the Google Classroom. This is first of all. Second thing, we have finished the courses. We are not going to explain it anymore. Okay, so this is only the reading homework for it. Okay, then we are going to start a new lesson. It will be a lovely lesson. You will love it. Okay, so I will explain it after that, and then we're going to solve some small pages, and this is all for today. Okay, let's start. Okay, this is your reading homework. You will find it in your resource packs. Okay, so you will make it and send it to me on your Google Classroom. Okay. Okay, let's start quickly. This is your reading homework. Number one, he's saying to you, to make an object start moving, a what must be applied to it? A force. Yes. Number two, a force that makes something move can be what or what? It can be balanced or unbalanced. Yes. Three, more force is needed to move, yes, heavy objects than to move the light objects. The heavy objects need much more force. Four, forces can make objects start moving, or we took many things, but here he's writing to you start moving and stop moving at the end. So start moving and then changing the shape, making shape slower, making things slower, making things faster. You can choose any other two things. Okay. 5, forces can change the, yes, the direction of a moving object. Yes. Number 6, when the forces of an object cancel out, like a rope being pulled equally from each side, so you're having cancel and equally, this is the key words. The forces will be, yes, balanced. Yes. Number 7, forces that happen between objects that you touch them. It's called, yes, contact forces. 8, forces such as what and what can act on an object without touching. Like what? Like the magnetism and the gravity. They are non-contact forces. Number 9. Magnets can do what or what? One another without touching. Magnets can either attract or repel. And we said repel, it doesn't mean that they will be repelled. No, they will not be attracted from the beginning. Okay? Number 10. Magnets attract or repel through solids, liquids, or gases. Okay. Number 11. The pulling force between two objects, it's called, yes, gravity. 12. A measure of the pull of the gravity on an object, it is, yes, its weight. 13. The force that occurs when object rubs, this is the key word, against one another, it's called friction. Yes. 14, the last one. There is very little friction between what? Slippery surfaces, between smooth, and a lot of friction between rough surfaces. Excellent. So we have finished the forces. We're not going to talk about them again. Now we're going to start our new lesson. It's called materials. Okay. What does mean by materials? Materials, that they are the things that everything it's made from. So materials, what are things they made from? Materials, they what are the things that they are made from? The things they are made from material. Anything, a door, it's made of what? Wood. The mirror, it's made of what? Glass. So the material, it's the thing that the thing itself, it's made from. Okay. Then what does mean by property or properties, the plural? It's how the material looks and feels. So when I tell you, for example, the glass, it's smooth and shiny. So what is the property? The property, it's how it looks and feels. So it's smooth and shiny. Those are the properties of it. So again, materials, they are the things that they are the main thing it's made from. And the property, it's how this material looks and feels. Okay, then what does it mean by natural? Natural, of course, means that it's found in nature. God created them. Those are the materials that they are coming from the plants, animals, and rocks. Why especially those three? Because they are the things that they are found in nature. So what does mean by natural? Natural means that they are the materials that they come from the plants, animals, and rocks because they are in nature. God created them and man didn't make anything in them. Okay, like what? Stones. Stones are natural. Like what also? Wool. Wool is natural. It's coming from an animal. The stones, they are rocks. Okay, and the wool is coming from an animal. What else? Wood. Wood is coming from a tree. Tree is a plant which is found in nature, so it's natural. Ivory, it's natural, it's coming from elephants, and the elephants, they are animals that they are found in nature. Okay, so again, the stones, the wool, the wood, the ivory. Then the clay. Clay also, it's natural, it's found in nature. Okay, straw. Straw is natural, it's found in nature. Leather. Leather, they are coming from animals, and animals, they are found in nature, so they are natural. Okay, so again, what does it mean by natural? Natural means that they are found in nature, they are coming from plants, animals, or rocks, like the stones, like the wool, like the wood coming from the trees, like the ivory, like the clay, like the straw, like the leather, it's coming from the animals. Okay, so all of those, they are natural materials. Okay, what is man-made material? Those are the materials that we have to do something to make them, that the man entered in making them. God didn't create them. Man took them, they make different shapes in it, different sizes in it, and then he colored them and he made something in it. So it's called man-made. Okay, like what? Like the paper. Of course, paper is man-made. God created paper? No, it's man-made. Man makes something in it, its shape, its size, wrote on them, so man made it. What else? Plastic, it's man-made. Okay, the man took this plastic and then he made shapes in it, either to make toys, to make kettles, to make plastic bags, to make anything in it. Okay, glass, of course, the glass, it's man-made. Okay, we make bottles, we make the windows from it, we make cups, we make everything. Okay, bricks, they are man-made. He make the shapes from it. He took the rock, okay, from the nature, but he make shapes in it, he polish it, he make everything in it, so it's man-made. Steel, it's man-made. Okay, he made from it the cooking utensils, he made the spoons, okay, forks and everything. Okay, okay, so we took, what does it mean by natural material, man-made material, and what does it mean by material from the beginning and its property. So a material, it's the thing that the main thing it's made from. Property means how it looks and feels. Okay, then we took, there are some natural materials, means that they are coming from plants, animals, okay, or rocks, that they are found in nature. Man didn't make anything in them. And then there are man-made materials, means that man entered in making them, he made something to make them. Okay, and we took their examples. Again, property is how a material looks and feels. Okay, we are going to study 10 properties. I don't want you to panic. Okay, we are going to take every one and we are going to take many examples and we solve a lot to make it easier for you. We're going to take 10, not today, of course, all along the coming weeks. Okay, today we are going to take the shiny and dull only. Okay, first of all, shiny. Shiny and dull. Of course, we are going to take the thing and its opposite. Shiny and dull, they are opposite to each other. What does it mean by shiny? Shiny means it's a material that reflects a lot of light. Okay. Dull means a material that reflects less light. Again, shiny means a material that reflects a lot of light. Okay. Dull means it's a material that reflects less light. You will not find it the shiny cluster in it. We're going to take examples. First of all, which coin is shiny and which is dull? You're having the left and you're having the right. Which will be shiny and which will be dull? Of course, the left will be shiny and the right will be dull. Okay, this one. Which will be shiny? The right and the left will be dull. Okay, so the shiny means it's a material that it's reflecting a lot of light, and dull means it is reflecting less light. Okay, those are the shiny ones. Okay, and those are the dull ones. Okay, this one, golden ring, shiny or dull? Yes, shiny, it's reflecting a lot of light. Okay, candle, can you see any reflecting of light? Can you see any shining in that? Can you see cluster in it? No, it is dull. Yes, this one, okay, it's a vase. It's what? Can you see a lot of light? Can you see the things in front of it? It's reflecting a lot of light. It will be shiny. Yes, this chalk, can you see anything it's reflecting from it? No. Is it shiny? No, it's dull. Yes, this kettle, you will see the light in it. You will see it's reflecting things, so it will be shiny, of course. Aluminum foil. Of course, we saw it at the kitchen, so you will see anything it is in making shapes all over here. It will be shiny. Paper. Can you see any light in them? Can you see, for example, if you made shapes in front of them, you will see it? No, so it will be dull. Yes. The CD. Of course, you saw the colorful colors here. The light which is reflecting from here, so it will be shiny. Yes. This teddy bear. Can you see any light reflected from it? Of course, no. So it will be dull. Yes. This one, the decorations. Yes, it will be shiny, of course. This diamond, of course, it will be shiny. It's reflecting a lot of light. What about the wooden spoon? Can you see any light reflected from it? No, so it will be dull. Yes, one. The bricks. Can you see any light reflected from it? No, it will be dull. Spoon, which is made from steel. You will see your shapes in it. Make anything you will see, or if you put it in front of things, so it's reflecting a lot of light, so it will be shiny. Yes, excellent ones. This coin, yes, it will be shiny, of course. This, yes, it will be dull. Yes, thank you. What about this kettle? We saw it before, and we saw it before. It will be shiny. Yes, this plastic toy. Can you see any light? If you saw, it will be a very little light. As we said, less light, so it will be dull. Yes, eraser. Dull, of course. Okay, so I will revise with you quickly. Okay, so we took today the materials. What are the materials? That they are the main things that they are made from, and those materials, they have properties. What does mean by property? It means that how the material looks and feels. There are materials which they are natural, they are coming from the plants, animals, and rocks. They are found in nature, like the stones, like the wool, like the wood, it's coming from the trees, like the ivory, the clay, straw, leather. All of those, they are natural. There are materials that they are man-made, which man entered in making them. Like what? Like the paper, okay, like the plastic, like the glass, okay, all of this, bricks, steel, all of those, they are man-made. Man entered in making them. We said that properties, we are going to take 10 properties. Today we are talking about shiny and dull. What is shiny? Shiny means it's a material that it's reflecting a lot of light. Dull means it's a material that it's reflecting less light. And we took a lot of examples. Okay? Okay. Now we are going to come to solve. Okay? I'm sorry. Okay. Pages in your resource packs. We are going to solve page 37 in your resource packs. Okay. First of all, question number 1. We are going to match the material to the living thing which is coming from. I will not match, I will write just only the numbers. First of all, you're having an elephant. What do we use, or what do we take from the elephant? We take the ivory. 2, the reeds. What do we use from it? Yes, to make the houses. Okay. 3, what do we take from the sheep? Yes, the wool. 4, cotton. We use it to make cotton t-shirts, for example, cotton clothes. Okay. And the last thing, the 5, is the cow. What do we use from the cow? It's leather. So each natural resource, animal, plants, or rocks, or anything, we take something from it. Okay, we take a material from it, which is a natural material. Okay, as you saw here, the natural resources, and we made natural materials. Okay, page 38, you're having here some materials. He's saying to you, metal come from rocks under the ground. We use metal to make lots of different things. Look at the objects below. Which one is metal? Write metal under the correct picture. We are going to see each picture, and then we're going to see if it is made from metal, we're going to write metal under it. Not made from metal, we're not going to write anything. Okay? First of all, frying pan. It will be made from metal? Yes, it will be made. So I will write metal. Screw. Yes, it will be made from metal. Yes. Toothbrush. Of course, no. I will not write anything. Chopping board. Of course, no, it's made from wood. Keys. Yes, it's made from metal. Rolling pin. No, it's made from wood. Rubber duck. He's writing to you rubber, so it's not a metal. Spring. Yes, it can be made from iron. It's a metal. Spoon. Yes, it's made from stainless steel. Okay, so those are the things that they are made from metals, like the frying pan, the screw, keys, spring, and the spoon. The last page we're going to solve today is page 39. He's saying to you the things that they are made from glass, and glass it's coming from sand. We are going to write glass under the things that they are made from glass. Okay, as we made in the metals. Rolling pin made from glass? Of course no. Screw? Of course no. Window? Yes, it's made from glass. Chopping board? Of course no. Mirror? Yes, it's made from glass. Light bulb? Of course yes. Fish bowl? Yes, it's made from glass. Bottle? Of course yes. Spoon? No, we wrote it's made from metal. So the window, the mirror, the light bulb, the fish bowl, and the bottle, they are made from glass. Okay, so today we took the materials. What does it mean by natural material? First of all, what does it mean by material? What does it mean by property? There are natural materials, there are man-made materials, and the first property we took is the shiny and dull. Shiny means things that they reflect a lot of light. Dull means that they are things that reflect less light. Thank you so much. I hope that you understood well.